In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the size of a button in Webflow step by step using the correct spacing and padding settings so your button looks clean, balanced, and professional on any device. This is one of the most common things Webflow users struggle with, especially beginners, because resizing a button isn't about dragging corners, it's about understanding padding properly. If you're working on a Webflow site and want your buttons to stand out, improve usability, or match your design system, this video will help you a lot. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and website design tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Webflow and open the site where your button is located. Make sure you're inside the Webflow designer, not the editor, because spacing and layout controls are only available in the designer view. Once your site loads, navigate to the page that contains the button you want to resize. Now, click directly on the button element so it's selected. You should see the settings panel update on the right-hand side of the screen. With the button selected, look over to the Style panel on the right. This is where all visual styling for your elements is controlled in Webflow. Inside the Style panel, find the Spacing section. Spacing is what controls the size of your button, not the width or height fields in most cases. Click on Spacing to expand it if it's not already open. Inside the Spacing section, locate Padding. Padding controls the space inside the button between the text and the button's edges. Increasing padding will make the button larger, and decreasing it will make the button smaller. Click on the padding value you want to change. Typically, top and bottom padding affect the button's height, while left and right padding affect the button's width. Start by adjusting the top padding. You can type in a value manually or use your arrow keys to fine-tune it. Then adjust the bottom padding to match so the button stays centered vertically. After that, move on to the left padding and right padding to control how wide the button appears. As you change these values, you'll see the button resize in real time on the canvas. This makes it easy to visually dial in the exact size you want. If you want consistent spacing, make sure the padding values are the same on both sides, unless you're intentionally creating an asymmetrical design. You can also switch between pixels, EMs, or REMs depending on how responsive you want your button to be. Once you're happy with the size, double-check how the button looks on different breakpoints. Click through desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure the padding still looks good on smaller screens. If needed, you can adjust padding per breakpoint without affecting the others. And that's it. That's how you change the size of a button in Webflow properly using padding and spacing, without breaking your layout or design system. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.